Good day, pre-service teachers. So for this video, I'll be discussing what are you going to do on our learning experience episode number 1, which is all about the curriculum. So I already uploaded this on our Facebook group as well as on our Google Classroom, and the submission date will be on May 11, 2024. So, of course, you have to fill out all the necessary information here. So, your name, your resource teacher, the signature of your resource teacher, the subject, date of observation, your cooperating school, what grade level are you handling, and the section. So, on our first task, in the school wherein you are deployed, you will interview the principal, a teacher. So for this one, for the teacher, it can be your cooperating teacher. Now for the principal, if most of you like are available on a certain period of time, you can go all ask the principal for one definition of curriculum. So, hindi na magiging paulit-ulit or madami yung magi interview sa principal. Now, for the learner, it is up to you. So, it can be one of your students and then one of the school staff. It can be a school admin, it can be the guidance counselor, the assistant principal. So, the school staff is anything or any person that you can ask about the curriculum. So, all you have to do is to type or write their definition of curriculum right here on the given table. Now, after that, you have to answer these processing questions and analysis. So, for the first question, how was the curriculum understood by the individuals you interviewed? So, you will just interpret their definition and then the difference. The differences of their definition here for number 2. Now, you will share your insights and reflection on this part, and then, as the closing discussion, you will state 5 key learning points that you were able to capture in this field study. Now, this is regarding the curriculum. Okay, so since the topic for learning episode 1 is all about the curriculum, so basically the 5 key learning points is all about the curriculum. Now, for the documentation or portfolio, so this can be photos or uh, your photos together with the one that you interviewed or some transcriptions or a screenshot if your interview was done through online. Okay, so it can be a screenshot on your messenger, or email. So this will be your evidence regarding the interview that you have done for the first activity here. So I think that would be all for our learning episode 1. If you have questions or any suggestions about this one or clarification, you can just leave a comment on the comment section right here. And I think that would be all. Again, the submission date for this one will be on May 11, 2024 on our Google Classroom. So thank you very much. Have fun on your field study too. God bless and always keep safe.